Welcome back, algebra students. We're continuing yesterday's lesson. Yesterday we did percent of change. We just did increase and decrease. Now we're going to apply it to retail today. So we're going to talk about, we're going to solve problems. Discounted prices and prices, including tax, are applications of percent of change. Discount is the amount by which the regular price of an item is reduced. Thus, the discounted price is an example of percent of decrease. Sales tax is an amount that is added to the cost of an item, so the price including tax is an example of percent of increase. So we can solve these just like we did yesterday. So the sales, a coat is on sale for 25% off the original price. If the original price of the coat is $75, what is the discounted price? So the discount is 25% of the original price. So the first thing we do is we find the discount of the total price. So 25%, when we multiply that, we move the decimal 2 places to the left. So we get 0.25 times 75. So that's our discount. $18.75 is our discount. So we have to take that and subtract it from our original price. So 75 minus 18.75 equals $56.25. So the discounted price of the coat is $56.25. So we're going to go through and we're going to do a couple of these together, and then I'm going to have you guys do the rest on your own. So these are sales tax. So these are all increase. So 1 through 3 are all increase. So we're going to find our value, our sales tax, and then add it to the original value. So $24 is the shirt, sales tax is 4%. So we're going to say $24 times 4%. But remember, we moved the decimal 2 places, so it's 0.04. And $24 times 0.04 is 0.96. So that means 96 cents is our sales tax. So we add it, 24 plus 0.96. So our new total price is $24.96. Now, I also want to teach you another way to do the same problem. So if you're paying 4% sales tax, that means to pay the entirety of the shirt would be to pay 100%. We would be paying 100%. Plus 4% would mean that we have paid 104%. So if I wanted to do this in just one step, I could do 100% plus 4% is 104%. So I do $24 times 104%. So I move the decimal place 2 times. So 1.04. And 24 times 1.04 is $24.96. So what we have is 2 different ways of doing the same problem. So the CD player is $142. The sales tax is 5.5%. I can find what the sales tax is, but if I want to just find the total price, the best way to do that would be to add 100%, because we're paying the whole original price plus that. So 5.5% plus 100% is 105.5%. So I can do $142 times, I move this decimal 2 places, so I get 1.055. 140 times 2 times 1.055 is $149.81. So I can do it that way. Or I could have done it this way, the longer way. So I would say 142, my original price, times my sales tax, which is 0.055, which equals $7.81. And then I would add that to my original price. So $142 plus $7.81 equals $149.81. So two different ways to do it, and it's up to you. Let me fix that again. Two different ways to do it, and it's up to you to decide which way you want to do it. Again, either way, you get the same answer. So, sorry, my computer froze, I guess, the screen, but I'm back. So, I'll leave that one for you guys. Now, let's talk about discounted price. So, discounted price. I can do this. I'm going to show you the two different ways to do this. So, discount 15%. So, the first way I'm going to do is if we have 100% here of the original price, discount means I'm subtracting 15%. So 100 minus 15 is 85%. So a 15% discount means I'm only paying 85% of the original cost. So I can do it this way, which is the quickest way. $16 times 0.85, which gives me $13.60. And that's my total. Or I could do it the longer way. And remember, the longer way says I take the $16, I multiply it by 0.15 to get my discount. 16 times 0.15 equals, let's see, $2.40. So now from there, I do 16 minus $2.40, which equals $13.60. So again, it's up to you to decide how you want to multiply them. I like to do the 100 minus 15 for the discount, or add for the sales tax. So 100 minus 28 would be 72. So 72%. So look, I just do $28 times 0.72 equals, $28 times 0.72 is 20.16. So that's how much my discount is. So I'll leave number 6 for you guys to do. Do it the same way. Now we have a couple word problems. All right. The original selling price of a new sports video was $65. Due to the demand, the price was increased to $87.75. What was the percent of increased over the original price? So we're going to set up our proportion like we did yesterday. And we have our original price, $65. And our increase price, so we're going to do 87.75 minus 65 to find out what our increase was. And let me grab my calculator real quick. It looks like it's 22.75. 87.75 minus 65. Yep. 22.75. So that goes over top of my original, 22.75. And then we say that equals R over 100. And then that would give me our increase. So let's see, 22. And we get R equals, so I cross multiply, so you get 2,275 divided by 65, which is 35%. So that is our increase of 35%. So you just have to read the problems, and they determine how you answer some of these. A high school paper increased its sales by 75% when it ran an issue featuring a contest to win a class party. Before the contest issue, 10% of the school's 800 students bought the paper. How many students bought the contest issue? All right, so first thing I want to do is we're going to find out how many students bought the paper to begin with, and then we're going to do our increase from 70 to 75%. So 10% of 800, so 10% of 800, so 0.10 times 800, that equals, just move the decimal one, so I get 80. 80 students bought the paper. And then there was a 75% increase. So 75% increase. So I'm going to add that to 100. So 75 plus 100 is 175%. So now what I can do is I'm going to multiply 80 times 175%, which is 0.175. Which equals, let's make sure, it should be 1.75. I moved the decimal one place too many. So 80 times 1.75 is 140 students. So 140 students. And then I'll set you up with the last one. Baseball tickets cost $15 for general admission or $20 for box seats. The sales tax on each ticket is 8%. What is the final cost of each type of ticket? So sales tax means I'm adding it. So it's an increase. So it's 100% plus 8% is 108%. So for the general admission, we're going to have $15 times 1.08. And for the box seats, we'll say BS, box seats, is going to be 20 times 1.08. And so 15 times 1.08 is $16.20. For general admission, 20 times 1.08 is $21.60 for the box seats. And there you have it. If you follow the video, your work is pretty much done. You just have a couple problems. You need to fill in your answers to what we did together, but you only have a couple problems that you have to do on your own. If you need any help, reach out. See you guys.